Hello, folks. Welcome to another Bitcoin market analysis by Inspocrypto. Well, today it seems it's a very bullish day thanks to SPY, SPX. We will talk about that, but I'm not really happy with what's happening, and I will show you why. Let us start with the weights ratio as usual. Let me check. I need to change the color. Okay, first of all, I have detected that kind of dump. So it was for me clear we will make such kind of pump. We had a pump a dump, and right now we are lifting up. And the weights ratio 30 hours moving average, it's also indicating we raised up, we maintain a level, and it's declining right now. We also can see that the stablecoin reserves on centralized exchanges is rising. So they are bringing stablecoins from outside or at least converting from fiat to stablecoin and buying assets. That matches very well to what's happening at the moment. While, and that's the thing, the stablecoin supply is declining even more, and that's absolutely not bullish. So in my opinion, the price action is not really representing the condition of the market, but we will see why it's happening. So we have here our spot exchange and their flows. We have seen here, and that's really rare to see such kind. You can see that here the zero Bitcoin just went to exchanges. We always have something, and the weights ratio just dumped to zero. And usually, when we have such kind of move, that's indicating that we will lift up or at least have a pump a dump or something. And if we take a look to what happened, we went up, down, and in my opinion, we will go up again, big up. I don't know how far, just because of SPX, SPY. I mean, today is Thursday, we have Friday. If SPY keeps going up, Bitcoin will follow, but I don't know any level at the moment. However, we can see last hour 877 Bitcoin just went to the exchanges, 1,100 before and 3,700. So we are talking about 5,600 Bitcoin or something. And that's the only reason why they are pushing down the price, and we are not mooning, or at least we are not seeing any price above of 40,000. We have a big resistance here, maybe because of the max pain at Deribit of 40,000. That's possible that the market maker don't want to let the price go up more. But that's it, because we have tomorrow the expiry. We can see here stablecoin is declining. We have more outflows than inflows, so maybe we are soon done with that, but at the moment I don't think so. So we need to see what's going to happen next. So let us talk about the future market. Well, first of all, to make that easy and quick, funny rate up, down, and up again. Of course, that's what the price is indicating. People are longing. Why not? Leverage ratio also did such kind of roller coaster. It's declining at the moment, and the open interest also here we can see that it's, well, I mean, we had a roller coaster today, pump and dump and so on. They wrecked a lot of instruments of contracts, and so that makes sense. So let us take a look. First of all, the stablecoins, we received a lot of new stablecoins, almost 300 million here versus 100 million outflows, and here, well, 120 million versus 30 million. We also had some big outflows, but it's always, well, it's almost very green. To the Bitcoin related to derivative market looks a little bit different, but not that much. We can see here almost 4,300 outflow, but at the same time 1,000 Bitcoin inflow, and before 2,800 Bitcoin. So also here we can see very nice, it went up and it's now rising. And I will show you something, and that's why I'm not really happy with the move today, because it's not Bitcoin that's moving up. Bitcoin is just following SPY, SPX, and they prepared the whole move just in the last 24 hours, and that's indicating me that huge institutionals are manipulating the market, and that's absolutely something I don't like at all. But we will see that just in a few minutes when we talk about the market drivers. Let us take a look what happened here to the blockchain whispers, and we can see that shorts are rising at the moment. Let me change the color again. So I don't care about Bitfinex, I don't care about BitMEX. The only one is Binance, and Binance is showing we still have a lot of longs, but we received almost 600 million in shorts as well in the last hours, and that's a lot, but we still have much more longs. And let us take a look to the liquidation map here. That was few hours ago. You can see here as well how big that is. Oops. Okay, we have a lot of longs and not anymore that big in shorts. But it seems the market doesn't care anymore because it's just following another Wall Street asset. Wow, look at that. That's big. That's really huge. Look, Jesus. Okay, high leverage. I mean, I haven't seen that since 2 weeks or something. High leverage longs pushing the price up. And yeah, that makes sense because I will show you just next the market drivers what they are doing. So let us take a look who or what is driving the market. Well, first of all, we can see here something very interesting that is related to Femex, to the exchange. Let me see, not only as you can see, but mainly we have Coinbase here. They also bought almost 2,000 Bitcoin, so they expected such kind of move, and they are now in such kind of distribution, as you can see. So they knew what's going to happen next. Look at that. I mean, look the candle, look Femex. The volume was flat all the time, and then that's one indication. The another indication that they are manipulating SPX and SPY, and it's very well synchronized to Bitcoin, and that's why I'm absolutely not happy with the move currently. It doesn't matter if you are a bull, you are a bear, it doesn't really matter. That's the core or essential for the crypto space to be independent. And this move here is showing me it's not. I have tweeted about that. 1.4 billion of coin margin contracts just got sold since yesterday night. That's huge. They While the price was lifting up because they used a lot of stable coins for futures. As you can see, even the spot aggregated CBD is not indicating anything big, and if the X was selling, it's selling right now. So they are selling. It's not big. And just Famex and Coinbase, but that's it. And I have said be very careful with Coinbase because many institutionals are there. So sideway run looks like accumulation, and 99% of sideway runs are related to accumulation. But accumulation doesn't mean we are going up afterwards. If you see an accumulation for weeks, for example, that would be an indicator for that. What we are seeing is just quick accumulation and then like that here and then distribution. That's what they are doing. Okay? Accumulation, distribution. That's what they are doing. But if they knew yesterday that this move is going to happen, that SPY, SPX is going to rise, and I mean, I'm talking, I show you, that's, I don't know, I don't need actually really to analyze Bitcoin anymore. Up, down, up, up, down, up, up, down, up. You see the red candle? It's green here. It will flip to green here again. It's just following. But that's not my problem. My problem is that here, because they knew that 24 hours before. And they have started to decline. I mean, we are talking about the April 26th. They have started to sell all these coin margin contracts, and they are using these coin margin contracts now again. Maybe coincidence? Maybe. I actually yet I don't trust coincidences. Maybe. I I think they will start to use it again because SPY SPX is looking very bullish at the moment. They're just retesting their resistance. In my opinion, it will go up. They will use all this here, all these coin margin contracts now to went up. So we still have 1 billion US dollars in coin margin contracts available to pump the price up. At the moment, till tomorrow, maybe we will maintain 40k because the expiry tomorrow, but I can imagine that they will lift up even more afterwards. So maybe weekend with a scan pump or something. That's happening at the moment. So let us see and check some walls. We just have walls here on Coinbase, nothing up, only down. I don't know why, but yeah. Also here we have down at 37.2, that's Deribit, and actually nothing big up at 41, but that's it. Not big. Binance, well, yeah, we have here 40,500, but the big one, it seems, it's maybe the same, 38. We have 250 Bitcoin here, 300 Bitcoin here. They were limiting here as well, and as you can see, so we should go to 40,500 and maybe decline afterwards. I don't know. Bitfinex, Bitfinex limiting here, it seems, at 41,800. Yeah, and here, as you can see, but I don't know if that's spoofing. 38,500 FTX. Well, now they have started again here at 37, but they stopped here, as you can see. Okay, they were just pushing the price up, like they did here down and here and here. So the price reacted, had its bounce because of SPX, SPY, and now it's going up. So everything depends now on SPX, SPY. And that's look like spoofing 40,500. Doesn't look very solid. Binance futures, well, at the moment, not doing anything actually. Showing some pressure here. Right now, some pressure here. So maybe the price won't go here and then again up. As you can see, how much pressure from the top just push the price down. I mean, they are selling, selling, selling. So we are just forming a upward trend, and then the price reacted, retested. It seemed 39, got rejected and went up, but no walls showing here. Just one at 43.5 and some here at 41, 41.5. Bitfinex, we have here a lot, but it's, yeah, 43. That's it. FTX spot, nothing. No. Okay. Then let us talk about the conclusion.